With so much information on the new coronavirus, what should you believe? Fuseschool is here to bust some myths about COVID-19. Only older people can get the new coronavirus. Although older people and people with other health problems seem to develop a more serious illness from the virus, young people are not safe from infection or spreading the virus. I'm not sick, so I'm not infected by the new coronavirus. According to the World Health Organization, the symptoms are usually mild and start gradually, with the time between catching the virus and showing symptoms being anywhere between 1 and 14 days. This means that even if you're not experiencing symptoms, you can pass the infection onto someone else, and they can pass it on, and they can pass it on. Hopefully you get the point. This is why social distancing is important. The new coronavirus cannot survive in hot or cold temperatures. COVID-19 can be passed on from person to person in any area, whether the weather is hot and humid or very cold. There is also no evidence that hot or cold temperatures kill off the virus, so anyone who tells you that taking a hot bath will help to stop the infection is spreading a myth. There are specific medicines I can take to prevent or treat COVID-19. There are currently no vaccines or medical treatments, but people are working hard to develop these. This means existing vaccines for flu and pneumonia will not help. Also, antibiotics will not prevent or treat COVID-19. Antibiotics kill bacteria, not viruses. Drinking water and eating garlic will protect me against the new coronavirus. While some home remedies such as staying hydrated, eating healthily and taking certain vitamins are good for your body, some, such as gargling with bleach, are just downright dangerous. Do not believe everything you hear or read. If it sounds ridiculous, dangerous or too good to be true, it probably is. Make sure to fact check using information on official websites such as that of the World Health Organization. I should stockpile toilet paper. Many people are panicking and buying trolleys full of toilet paper. We're not too sure why, as toilet paper is not going to protect you against COVID-19 or treat symptoms. We already have one global crisis on our hands. Let's not make toilet paper shortage another. What other myths about the new coronavirus have you heard? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to wash your hands with soap and water and practice social distancing as often as possible. Saving lives has never been so easy.